This is awesome. This is awesome. Does he hear me? Yeah.
Okay, hey.
How does the average person participate?
This was just a big lot of junk. The weeds were growing all over the place, and it was a bad system.
Those vacant lots that are in the city, nothing grows there. It's just a pile of trash and stuff. It's just amazing to have a garden there.
We cleared up all the beds and whatever trash, tires, and just a whole bunch of trash off the land and turned it into a beautiful garden. Oh, good job, you're helping the garden.
Gardening the Community was founded in 2002 as a project of NOFA, the New England Organic Farming Association, the Massachusetts chapter. It was their urban farming project. And Ruby Maddox Fisher is the founder, of course.
GTC has been 9 years old. And I had worked with another community youth program in Springfield, and then there was a woman who came to me from NOFA and was like, I'm looking to start GTC, or start this program. There was no name.
We started off as a program to promote gardening, but at the same time we try to promote healthy eating and being active with the kids.
I think one of the things that our gardens do is that they become a symbol of the kind of change that's possible in a neighborhood or in a community. I know it's very powerful for the youth themselves to plant seeds and watch them grow.
I am proud of a lot of things. I think we're like a family. I love spending time with them.
Are we empowering the youth? Are we, empowering the community? Are we, bringing access? And, how does that translate into, other issues of like social justice?
It must feel good to be able to, as a young kid, 6th grade or 7th grade, grow some food and bring it home to their family. I mean, that's an honorable thing to do. So it's like to see that happen and then to see the kids getting excited about that is great.
I think it's important because people that don't maybe have money or stuff can't really buy things like in other stores. But when we grab our own vegetables and bring it out to the market, we sell them for cheaper.
You learn a lot from working in a garden. One of the things I love most about working at the garden is just the knowledge that you get. And you get to see things grow when you plant it.
The kids, they didn't know things like, a carrot grows from under the ground.
To take care of where you live around, like taking care of your neighborhood. Awesome.
You're doing work, you're getting paid for it, you're getting fresh vegetables, beautiful flowers, you're exercising, you're staying healthy, so there's really no downside to it.
I like planting, putting the seeds down, harvesting, and I love doing the markets.
I really like how we bike everywhere and stuff, because that's our trademark now. A lot of people know us for biking and cutting down the use of fossil fuels.
There's definitely a movement afoot. Gardening the Community is one project, is one group here in Springfield, but part of a broader movement for food justice, for changing our very food system and addressing racial health disparities and other kinds of inequities in our community. So by doing the work that we do locally, because we're connected to this broader movement, we inspire change in other communities.
It grew a lot. A lot more people know about us. Even the neighbors down the street, they get more involved. I see it really growing. A lot of people, not just in Springfield, but around the area and other cities, they know about us. It was just small program, just one small plot, and then we got another plot, but it was still just a small group of kids. And now looking at it, we're going to different markets. We have 2 markets. We're selling to 2 different local restaurants. And so I see it's a big difference from what the little program used to be into what it has transformed to now.
I would like to see this, what we're doing here, be able to employ more youth.
It's important at its very core. It's something that's essential to all of us: food and how we get our food, and fueling our most basic needs.
you know, everyone sitting down and having these big dreams about what can happen in a community like this that's been so kind of looked down upon for so long, is what makes this work worthwhile.
There's an intangible role we play in the community that's really important. How can we become a healthier, more beautiful, hopeful community? I think all you have to do is look at our lots to know that it's possible. And our youth are such powerful embodiment of the kind of change that is possible when people in a community come together.
Ready?
Oh, for young woman, and so much beautiful girls.
Another one? Okay.
You know what? I'm thinking that these pumpkins, people painted them and then they're gone.